Every morning in a cozy little meadow, a small white bunny named Ben woke up when the sun began to shine. The golden sunlight touched the flowers and grass, making the whole meadow sparkle. Ben stretched his tiny paws and started his day with a big, happy smile. The first thing Ben did every morning was tidy his small burrow. He carefully folded his soft leaf blanket and placed his toys neatly in a basket made of twigs. After cleaning up, Ben hopped to the little pond near his home. There, he splashed cool water on his face and brushed his tiny teeth with a soft twig brush. Keeping clean made Ben feel fresh and ready for the day. Next, Ben ate a healthy breakfast. He nibbled crunchy carrots, sweet berries, and fresh green leaves. Eating healthy food gave Ben lots of energy to hop, play, and learn new things. Once breakfast was finished, Ben looked around the meadow. Some flowers had fallen on the path, and a few small stones were scattered around. Ben gently moved the stones and placed the flowers beside the path, keeping the meadow clean. Soon the bright morning sun filled the sky. Ben happily hopped around the meadow, exploring, playing, and learning new things. Because Ben woke up early, stayed clean, ate healthy food, and kept his home tidy, every day became a bright and wonderful adventure. And in the peaceful meadow, Bunny Ben's good habits made every morning shine just a little brighter.